So there's this skill that I think everybody who codes needs to have. It's a fairly easy skill to acquire, but it just takes a bit of time. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a clue. No, it's not playing the piano. Look again for another clue. I'm pushing the analogy a little bit far now, I know that, but I just wanted to get some music into the video, and it does stand. It is a valid analogy. So do you know what I'm talking about yet? So it's this. It's being able to type without looking at your hands, touch typing. And it's been such a useful skill for me. I mean, I'm not brilliant at it, but I can do it well enough that I hardly ever have to look at the keyboard. And for many things, not just coding, but particularly coding, it's a useful skill because you can just concentrate on the screen. You don't have to keep looking down at your hands, and you're not doing it one finger at a time. And I just find it helps my flow. So if let's see, I'll just show you what I can do. So I'll share the screen and I'll just type something now. So let's say, the man who hath no music in him is fit for treasons, stratagems, and spoils. Something like that. I don't know whether I got that right, but I've got it mostly right. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, not too bad. So I think you should learn to touch type. It'll take you a few weeks, 2-3 weeks at most, if you practice, I don't know, an hour or so a day, and it's really worthwhile. This is something that you can learn to do for free, and I'm going to share some resources with you, or a resource with you. But the one that I'd recommend is the one from the BBC. So let's have a look. If we go to level 1 here, and I'll put a link in the description. I mean, it's for children, but it's pretty good.
You can type all these words with the correct fingers.
Anyway,
we have liftoff.
Let me turn that off. You get the idea. Just to mention as well, I got the idea for this video from a podcast I was listening to the other day, the Real Python podcast, which I definitely recommend if you don't listen to it. If you don't know about it, go and find it on your podcast app. This video isn't sponsored, it's just a podcast that I happen to like, so I think you might enjoy listening to it. And there was an interview with Al Sweigart, who I'm sure you've heard of. He's the author for a number of books published by No Starch Press. Automate the Boring Stuff is a great book. It's a great introduction to Python if you've never coded before. And there's Cracking Codes with Python and Invent Your Own Computer Games with Python, and a few more as well. And he's got a couple of new books out. So I've put some links in the description. Go and have a look at those. So thanks to the Real Python podcast and Al Sweigart for giving me the idea for this video. I'll see you next time.